Plein baneux, mon Enrico, plein baneux. Faut que ça bleed.
On that beautiful morning, Saturday morning, the 16th of October, on a beautiful rainy day. So that's the reason why I'm doing that little clip. So it's a follow-up for the build of the THECROW. So Marc Landreville did the installation at his garage MLR, and everything went fine. They did the break-in, very satisfied of the service and everything, like clean job, exceptional, like usual. We worked together. I built race engines for his garage and everything, so he served me pretty good, but actually he's serving everybody satisfied of this of his services. So did the break-in and called me. He did that, I think, I don't remember what day, I'm so busy. So one night calls me, okay, the break-in's done, tomorrow we can come and get the car. So in the morning I go there, drop him another case of Lucas break-in oil, and ask him like to flush the oil and the filter, so I can leave with my car and do like the rest of the break-in. If you want my they're saying 500 miles, but it's gonna be like a couple days of going to work and coming back to work. So I'm right on it right now. So I took the car, was all excited, was expecting like more than what I got though. The engine is idling like it never did, like it's perfect, like not a bump, like it's perfect marble ball, you know. And the engine's less noisy than before. Noisy, I mean, all the you want to hear in the engine, it's like going like that. It's incredible. You just hear the turbo. So that's a good thing. I had a noise when I was like cold starting the engine. I had a little noise. I thought it was because of the broken pistons, and I have to share that with you guys, because I had that little noise like in the morning, and it lasted a long time, but getting lower and lower till the car is very hot, like after you went on the highway or something like that, and after the car was quiet. I was wondering what it was. I thought it was a bad lifter. I thought it was like, I don't know. So it wasn't major, but a pain in the ass, you know what I mean? You leave with a Cadillac and it's doing a weird noise like that, so it's not good. Any car, it's not good, but I mean, it's a Cadillac, not supposed to do shit noise like that. So anyway, that's gone. So, and I read a lot, like people complaining there's a weird noise like in cold starts, and it stays there, just like it muffle after, but it stays there. Some saying it's the vacuum pump and everything. And you know what? I think it was my broken pistons. So do you know what? It's been a while. It's broken. Oh, the light. So that's a plus. So I go home and everything with the car. The ride is awesome. So I start to push on it, and it was like hesitating, like weird thing. So like I can't wait, like I gotta push on it. I push on it. It's not going at all. Doesn't want to. It does bursts of power and then goes down, like the computer don't understand what the shit is going on, you know. So coffee early in the morning, everybody's sleeping. That's where I am. So then I'm not happy. I'm not happy with my car. But the engine runs so good below boost, like till 5 pounds of boost, everything's fine when you're gentle with it. The second you wanna have fun, it doesn't let you at all. So I call Samuel at Garage MLR because they have a dyno. He's the tuner there. He tunes rally cars, BMWs, race cars actually, and strong street cars. And it's very knowledgeable. I did a lot of engine that he tuned and everything. So I reach him and talk to him about what it's doing. And me, like, don't tell me it's just because it's the same thing, same engine, same forged piston, forged rods. I ported the cylinder heads though. So I asked them that, like, don't tell me it's not making power because it's ported. He's saying no, the computer must be all like fucked up. He doesn't understand what's going on. It's not calibrated for it. So I said, yeah, can you give me a rendezvous? So I have a dyno rendezvous for the 29th of October. So I'm very excited. I'm gonna film the whole thing because I'm gonna be there all day that day to take some footage. And you don't see a lot of those cars on the dyno, especially all-wheel drive. It's got an all-wheel drive dyno because of the rally cars, you know. So I'm lucky this way. Sometimes I'm lucky, sometimes. But I'm gonna let you know what's going on after. But I'm running the car. I'm finishing, let's say, the braking. I'm gonna do my, here it's in kilometers, so I'm gonna do like 500 kilometers and put good oil in it, synthetic oil, the right one. So that's it. Have a nice day. And me, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I hate that time. It's gonna rain. Is it gonna be nice? You don't know. You don't know. They're saying it's raining. It's not even raining, but it looks like it will, and it did rain. So washing the cars, no question for this weekend. I wanted to wash it because it's very dirty. It stayed like a week in the garage, and you know they're doing roll cage and everything, so there's like dust, welding shit, metal dust, and you know the fume that the welding does. All my windows inside are so blurry, so I wanted to clean that, but with that weather, nah. So I'll let you go, and I'll keep you posted on what's going on.